So many veggies. I don't want to cut up any of these. Ooh, lime hollow. So, today we are back with another special. This one is a actual certified vegan recipe. This is potato curry chili. You can see we have a lot of nice fresh vegetables here, as well as plenty of good seasonings to go on this, so I'm excited to try this one out. The one thing I did change up, instead of regular black beans, I used ranch style black beans because I'm just guessing off of the other ranch beans I usually get. They probably have a seasoning mix in them which will help out with this. They also didn't have any fire roasted tomatoes and green chilies, so I just got 2 cans of the regular ones. But other than that, you can see our wide variety. I did end up throwing in a fresh pepper to chop up and said that was optional. Not a jalapeno though. This is, I forget what these ones are called. It looks kind of like a green chili. It's like an Anaheim pepper or something, I don't remember. But yeah, our total for all of this is a whopping $10.55. So not only is this certified vegan, but it's not that expensive either. So I guess with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right in to cutting up our vegetables. It's always the onion, isn't it? Well, we got a lot of vegetables to go through here, so let's Oh. Well, I guess we're done. Now all we need to do is put everything in the crock pot. And I kind of blocked it in, so let me... Well, it smells pretty good already. Last thing we need to do is just set it on either high for 3 to 4 hours or low for 6 to 8 hours. So I will go ahead and set that up. We are now ready to go. So I will see you tonight. And we are done. I even made some vegetarian cornbread to go with it. That's basically just the plain cornbread recipe that I made last time, but I substituted the egg for a mashed banana because I actually was out of eggs. So it's not vegan because it still has dairy products, but no egg. Anyway, let's see how we did. Ooh, the spicy wind. Smells pretty good. Last but not least, we have to add in the juice of 1 lime and then put our toppings on, and then we are ready to serve. So let's do that. Here it is, finally done. Our very own vegan potato chili recipe with curry, which makes it even better. So, this smells pretty good, so I'm excited to try this one. Feel free to change it up and let me know how you like it. So, thanks for watching. So, I doubled the seasonings and added guacamole, because guacamole is vegan, right? I think. But anyway, This one did turn out pretty spicy, but it was really good. I think it could maybe use a little more variety on some of the other vegetable things. I guess maybe adding some more beans in so that it's got a little more variety of beans. I don't know, it's a vegan dish. What do you add to a vegan dish? But this one wasn't bad. So if you like vegan stuff, this one turned out pretty well. So feel free to try it out and let me know how it goes for you. Oh.